Okay, we've been asked by a lot of our learners at Smart Learner Driving School about the new layout in the Coventry area for some of the test routes. Today what we wanted to do was just show you quickly how to navigate around the test route based on A44 heading towards Burnaby Road in Radford. Let me show you. So as you can see, we've got the signboard on the left hand side that says city centre to the left, and there is a right turning at the roundabout too. We are going to take the right turning at the roundabout. Now the examiner would normally tell you at this point, at the roundabout we're taking the right exit. As you can see, because the lane is closed to the right, we would have to use the left lane to turn right in this occasion. So what we want to do now is check our mirrors as we normally would, make sure there's no motorbikes or anything around the side of us, and then we can give a nice early signal to notify the guy behind that we are going to be turning right. So we're following the signs towards